Hello and welcome. This is Marisol. Today I am unboxing my December daily box. I'm using the 10 by 8 album and I absolutely love it. I was wanting something new and fresh for my project, and this definitely is going to keep things interesting this year. I counted 16 of this page protector, which doesn't have any pockets in it, and then the other one, 15 of those. You have the 4x4, the 4x6, 4x6, and 4x4. I have the fuse tool, and I imagine that if I want to, I can go ahead and fuse pockets into this sized page protector, but I also think that I'm going to have a lot of pages that will be outside of the page protector. That's just something that I kind of always do in December anyway. I did not order the main kit. I can't believe it. But I've been doing a lot of digital these days, and I think that if I want, I'll order it digitally, but I think I just want to, again, challenge myself, try something new and fresh, and I didn't order the main kit. I did order these, though, and they're gorgeous. Oh, those houses, do you see those houses? Gorgeous. There, you can see it better there. Oh. Yes, a wreath, which I love, very classic, some stars, and a slight grid pattern with foil. I love these. One of the nice things about that album also is that you can fit all of the different page protectors that exist already for a 6x8 and a 3x8 album, so that will change things up page protector wise. These numbers, I ordered these numbers and they're huge, you guys. Look at that. They fit in the palm of my hand. I actually ordered 2 sets because I love them so much. It's a very thin felt, but it's not like it's not hairy, which is good. The 5 looks so nice. I don't know, I might do like a 25 like this on one of the pages to introduce Christmas Day. I love that. So like I said, I ordered 2 packages of those. I ordered these numbers, which are very pretty. I like that matte gold look to them. And then the 3x8. I'm sorry, I probably should have opened this before. You guys are hearing all the crinkling. These are transparencies. These are gorgeous. So pretty. This one is probably my favorite. Wait, is that upside down? Oh shoot. That is upside down, isn't it, you guys? Because the holes are here. Shouldn't the holes be on this side? Oh boy. Okay, well, I gotta get that sorted out. Now I gotta really take a look at the other ones. Let me see. Yeah, see, it should be like here. The holes are on this side. This one is okay. You know, another problem that happened with my order is that I ordered the plastic hearts and they weren't included in my box. So I have to message customer service about that. And now this situation. So check your stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this one's so pretty. Like, I envisioned this like with a number to introduce that, and then or maybe like a photo or something. It's a beautiful background. This set came with so many of these transparencies, which is why I liked it so much. Okay, see, you guys, is this whole thing, look at this. Well, I mean, I suppose I could put it on this side of the page. Actually, this one's okay then. But if I wanted it on this side, it would be upside down. But that's okay. Same thing here. I'm gonna have to be on the left side of the album as opposed to the right. Huh. I don't know if that's supposed to be, well, this one you would want that way, because otherwise the holes would come into that. I'm gonna have to look online and see how it looks in the shop. But it's kind of forcing me to, which I guess happens, right? I love these 3x8 designs. Is that a duplicate? Sort of, right? So is this one documenting our December? Oh, I see. So we have 1, 2, 3, like those. Oh, mistletoe. There's another 4th one documenting our December stories. Cool. So I mean, those holes being punched on the right side as opposed to the left works for all of them except the fa la la, because I mean I can put it on the left side so it's not backwards, I guess, right? Yeah. But if I wanted it on the right, I'd have to be upside down. So it's not, there's not a problem with it, you guys. I was just not thinking because usually the holes are on the left side of the product, not the right side. So, well, like when you look at this, right, the holes are on the left for this one, but they're on the right for this one. So just keep that in mind. So no problem. All right, good. I'm glad. I did already message them about my plastic cardstone. This is another item I was very excited about because it adds variety to an album because of the different shapes. So fa la la, absolutely gorgeous. A tree. Oh, the hats. They're like watercolored. Love it. Super thankful for these moments. Gorgeous heart. Half circle with foil. Part of my plan is to order, oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Bronze. Oh, love it. Part of my plan is to order the digital papers, either the vellum or the 10x8 paper pack, and print them from home. I figured that I have vellum, so I can go ahead and print the imagery on my own vellum. And then I have these. I'm also going to, I plan on using, what's it called, matte photo paper for the paper pack. And I'm going to try and see if it's possible, like what would happen if I printed double-sided. Print one image on, one of the papers on one side of the matte photo paper and then print it on the other side. Now I know with matte photo paper, one side is brighter than the other. So I'm going to experiment with that, and then, or maybe I'll experiment with just regular white cardstock and print on regular white cardstock and then print on both sides. I'm curious to see how that's going to come out. These are the canvas pockets. I wasn't going to get these at first, but then I was like, oh, they look so nice, and I'm pretty sure I can make them on my own, but I decided, nope, don't want to, since they're already made for me. They are much thinner than I thought, which is good because my album tends to be bulky. So you could either attach this right on top of a page, or you could put holes in it, and then you could put it in the album like this. Let me see. Yeah, you could put holes in it here and here, and then they would overlap just a little bit, unless you brought it up higher. Yeah, that'd be cool. And then you turn it, and then you have space here. Maybe you could attach photos or embellishments. So you could do that, or the same thing, you could do it like this, so they're matching, or you could just do one, or attach it to the middle of a page. So many options, and I love the texture that these provide. The last thing I ordered was a stamp set. This was a last minute addition to my box. I wasn't sure if I wanted it or not, but I was attracted to it when I first saw it, and then I was like, I just have to get it because it's so versatile. When you look at all the different fonts, and you can mix and match all the fonts, and some of them are a bit smaller than the others, and I don't know, I just loved all of the variety, the font, like this is thinner and this is thicker, and so I think it was well worth the $28 because I know I'm going to get a lot of use of this, a lot of use out of it. Alright, so that is what I ordered, and I will be working on foundation pages. I hope to share them with you guys later. Where are we? We are in October, so probably at the beginning or mid-November I will be sharing my foundation pages with you guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.